Hi, hello, good morning students. In previous class, we will discuss about distinguish between resistance and reactance, and also we will discuss about some important points in pure resistive circuit and pure capacitive circuit and pure inductive circuit. Clear? So previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ distinguish between resistance and reactance ಬಗ್ಗೆ discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ and some important points ಅನ್ನ pure resistive circuit ಇಂದ then pure capacitive circuit and pure inductive circuit ಇಂದ discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Clear? So now in this class we are going to discuss about derive an expression for resultant voltage. Resultant voltage means V and resultant current means I and resultant impedance means Z in series LCR circuit. Clear? So ಈ ತರ 5 marks question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is very important for your examination point of view. Derive an expression for resultant voltage, current and impedance in series LCR circuit by using phasor diagram ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Clear? So this is a circuit diagram. ಈ diagram ನ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. So in this diagram L means L is the inductor of inductance L. ಎದಾಗಿ inductor of inductance L and C be the capacitance of capacitor C and R be the resistance of resistor. Clear? So in this circuit diagram explanation ಅಂತ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Inductance of inductor L, capacitance of capacitor C and resistance of resistor are connected series with an AC source. Series combinations ಅಲ್ಲಿ L, C, R ಅನ್ನ with AC source ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Here so here the AC source supplies alternating voltage across these three elements means V is equal to, so here V is equal to V naught sin omega t. So V is equal to V naught sin omega t is nothing but alternating voltage supplied from the AC source. AC source ಇಂದ supply ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ alternating applied voltage ಏನಿದೆ V is equal to V naught sin omega t. Clear? But in series combination current through the circuit remains constant. But series combination ಅಲ್ಲಿ current ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ remains constant but across each element so current becomes varies. But complete LCR series circuit ಅಲ್ಲಿ current remains constant ಇರುತ್ತೆ but across each element ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ current ಮತ್ತು voltage ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ vary ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So here across the resistor VR be the voltage across resistor and I be the current flows through the resistor. Clear? So this is my current direction, this is my voltage direction. So according to the phasor diagram current and voltage are in same phase. So VR is nothing but VR is equal to voltage across resistor, VR is equal to I into R. VR is equal to I into R. So I is nothing but current, R is nothing but resistor. But according to the phasor, VR is in phase. VR is in phase with current. VR is in phase with the current because current and voltage are in same direction. So angle made between V and I is nothing but 0. So VR is always in phase with current anta helthivi. Clear? So according to the phasor diagram, so this is nothing but phasor diagram. So this is nothing but VR, voltage across resistor andre VR anta helthivi. So this is nothing but current direction. So here VR and I are in same direction. So angle made between VR and I becomes 0. So VR is always in phase with current anta helthivi. Here again the voltage across inductor. So voltage across inductor becomes VL is equal to I into XL. XL means inductive reactance. So I means current flows through the inductor. So here this is the direction of current. So this is the direction of VL, voltage across inductor. So here VL leads the current by pi by 2 R 90 degree. Clear? So when AC source or alternating voltage applied to an inductor, so applied to an inductor, so VL is always leads the current by pi by 2. So ನೋಡಿ ಈ phasor diagram ಪ್ರಕಾರ this is nothing but current direction and this is nothing but VL direction. So angle made between VL and I is nothing but 90 degree or pi by 2. Clear? So remember VL is equal to voltage across inductor under formula VL is equal to I into X. So voltage is leads the current by 90 degree or pi by 2. 90 degree अथवा तो होता भी pi by 2. Clear? So again across capacitor. So across capacitor. So here this is nothing but current direction and this is nothing but voltage direction VC. Voltage across capacitor means VC. I is nothing but current. So here VC is equal to I into XC, where XC is nothing but capacitive reactance. So I is nothing but current flows through the capacitor. VC is nothing but voltage across the capacitor. So voltage across the capacitor means VC is equal to I into XC. So according to this phasor diagram, so here VC lags behind current by pi by 2 or 90 degree. Clear? So according to this phasor diagram, so voltage is always lags behind the current by ಎಷ್ಟು angle lag ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ 90 degree or pi by 2 ಅಂತ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ pi by 2 or ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 90 degree ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Clear? So here voltage across resistor is VR is equal to I into R. So according to the phasor diagram, VR is in phase with current. Then VL be the voltage across inductor. VL is equal to I into XL. So VL means inductor voltage is always leads the current by pi by 2 or 90 degree. Again across capacitor, so here VC is equal to I into XC. VC is always leads behind the current by pi by 2 or 90 degree. Clear? So again in this phasor diagram, so here I be the current direction. So this is but current direction. So this is but voltage direction. So we are voltage across resistor. So here I and VR are in the same phase. Clear? So again this is but inductor voltage VL. So this is but capacitor voltage VC. Here capacitor voltage VC. VR is the voltage resultant voltage across resistor. VL is the resultant voltage across inductor. VC is the resultant voltage across capacitor. But here VC, suppose if VC is greater than VL, if VC is greater than VL, VC is greater than VL. Suppose VC value ginta VL value ginta VC value ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತರ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ VC is greater than VL. VC is greater than VL. So here VC minus VL, where represented O2A is but resultant voltage VC minus VL. VC na VL ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈಗ ನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವೆ. So here VC minus VL is a resultant voltage. So this is always along with in this direction. Clear? So VC is always opposite to the direction of VL. So here VC minus VL ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ VC ಗೆ VL ಅನ್ನೋದು opposite directions ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು VC minus ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ VL ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ. So this portion O2A is nothing but VC minus VL. So it's nothing but resultant voltage of VL and VC. Clear? So this is nothing but resultant voltage in voltage across LCR circuit, series LCR circuit. V nine ಕರೀತಾವೆ resultant voltage across LCR. Clear? So this is about phasor diagram. So here angle is a phase angle ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ phase angle. Clear? So in this diagram, so this is about current direction and this is about VL direction. So VL is always leads the current by pi by 2. ಎಷ್ಟು angle lead ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ pi by 2. Again in this diagram, so here VC, this is about VC direction. VC is always lags the current, this is about current direction, always into pi by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Clear? So ಈ phasor diagram ಇಂದ ನಾವು ಡಿರೈವೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. Clear? So this is about explanation. Clear? Again now to find the resultant voltage. Now find the resultant voltage. So ಈಗ resultant voltage na find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಿ. Now from this phasor diagram consider ಅಥವಾ apply Pythagoras theorem for this triangle OBC. So it forms a rectangle OACB. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ O A C B ನ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ OBC ಗೆ ನಾವು ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ OBC. Now consider from the triangle OBC. So here OC the whole square is equal to OC the whole square is equal to OC the whole square is equal to OB the whole square, OB the whole square plus BC the whole square, BC the whole square. So in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So BC is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ OA. So here OC the whole square means O2C is equal resultant voltage V, V the whole square is equal to OB the whole square means so here O2B is equal resultant voltage across resistor में तो होता है VR, VR the whole square plus BC is equal to OA. So BC the whole square is equal to OA the whole square में बरता है BC minus VL the whole square. So BC minus VL the whole square here because BC is equal to OA from the phasor diagram here. So again V the whole square is equal to now substituting VR, VL and BC for this equation. So here VR is nothing but I into R the whole square plus BC means I into XC minus VL means I into XL, I into XL the whole square. Clear? So ಈಗ we are ಪೈಥಾಗರಸ್ ಥಿಯರಂ ಅನ್ನು ಈ OBC ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು OC the whole square is equal to OB the whole square plus BC the whole square. So again ಆ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ಫೇಸರ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಂದ ಡೇಟಾನ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. OC ಅಂದ್ರೆ V the whole square is equal to OB means VR the whole square plus BC means BC minus VL the whole square. Clear? So it's substitute ಮಾಡಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ again V the whole square is equal to VR ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ I into R. Again now substitute here I into R the whole square plus BC means so here I into XC minus VL means I into XL. ತಗೊಂಡು substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು the whole square. Clear? So again here I square R square I R the whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ I square R square plus so here I is nothing common term taking outside so XC minus XL the whole square. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ XC minus XL the whole square. So ಈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು I ಗೂ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಗ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ V the whole square is equal to so here left hand side ಏನಿದೆ V the whole square is equal to so here R square I square into R square. So here I square into R square. I square into ಏನಿದೆ R square plus again I the whole square becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ I square of XC minus XL the whole square. XC minus XL the whole square. Clear? So ಈ whole square ಅನ್ನು ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ I ಗೂ ಮತ್ತೆ XC minus XL ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ so I the whole square becomes ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ I square. XC minus XL ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ XC minus XL the whole square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Clear? So this is nothing but XC and this is nothing but XL. Clear? Now again but in these two terms I square is nothing but common term again taking outside. So here I square of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. Clear? So ಈ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I square ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. So R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. Clear? So again B is equal to ಬರೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇದೆ B ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ ಬರೀ B ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ B ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅನ್ನು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ here ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ I square into R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. Clear? So again B is equal to So here square root is applied for both I square and r square plus xc minus xl the whole square. So here root of I square into root of r square plus xc minus xl the whole square. Here ನೋಡಿ ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟೂ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ I square ಒಂದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ r square plus xc minus xl the whole square ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ರೂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕಿಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ I square into root r square plus xc minus xl the whole square. But we know that root is nothing but whole to the power 1/2. ರೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು 1/2 ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಅगर I square whole to the power ರೂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 1/2. ಸೊ here numerator and denominator 2 cancel. numerator ಇರೋ 2 ಅನ್ನ denominator ಇರೋ 2 ಜೊತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಅगर ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ v is equal to I into root of r square plus xc minus xl the whole square. Clear. So this is resultant voltage in series LCR circuit by using phasor ಏನು ಅಂತಾವೆ phasor diagram. ಸೊ ಈ phasor diagram ಇಂದ ನಾವು resultant voltage ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ resultant voltage across series LCR circuit means V is equal to I into root of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. Clear. Write the expression for resultant voltage in series LCR circuit ಅಂದ್ರೆ V is equal to I into root of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. Clear. So I is nothing but current in the circuit, resultant current. VR means resultant voltage in series LCR circuit. R is nothing but resistor, resistance of resistor. XC is nothing but in capacitive reactance. XL is nothing but inductive reactance. Here, so this is nothing but expression for resultant voltage. Here, now we are going to find out resultant current. So ಈಗ voltage formula na find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ಏನು find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು current. So again taking in this equation. So here V is equal to I into root of R square plus XL XC minus XL the whole square. Clear. So again the equation ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. So here so this is resultant voltage. Resultant voltage. Clear. Now we are going to find out resultant current. Resultant current is so here resultant current I is equal to V by root of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. ನೋಡಿ I ಅನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ root of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square ನ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ V ಗೆ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ denominator ಬರುತ್ತೆ this term. So V by root of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. Again I is equal to V by Z because Z is equal to root of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. So we complete term na root of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square na Z anbiಟ್ಟು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ Z. So this number resultant current. So this number ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾವೆ resultant current in LCR circuit. ಈ LCR circuit ಪ್ರಕಾರ resultant current formula means I is equal to V by R. V is resultant voltage in LCR circuit. So Z is number impedance where Z is number impedance. So this number resultant current. Here so first of all resultant voltage ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Second condition resultant current ಅನ್ನು find out ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Now we are going to discuss resultant impedance. So ಈಗ impedance formula find out ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. Here so here Z is equal to root of r square plus xc minus xl the whole square. So this is the expression for resultant impedance. Resultant into impedance. Impedance in LCR circuit. LCR circuit. Here, so this is the expression for resultant amplitude. Z is equal to resultant impedance. This is the expression for resultant impedance. Z is equal to root of r square plus xc minus xl the whole square. Tumba important to write the expression for impedance in series LCR circuit anta kelidre formula Z is equal to root of r square plus xc minus xl the whole square. Here, so where r is nothing but resistance of resistor, xc means capacitive reactance, where xl means inductive reactance. Here, so this is nothing but impedance formula. Now we are going to find out direction of a resultant voltage in series LCR circuit. ಈಗ direction na ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So again now direction means so in this phasor diagram, so here this is my phasor diagram. So in this phasor diagram, pi is the phase angle between resultant voltage and current. Resultant voltage and current. Now to find out the direction to find out the direction in terms of V and I, resultant voltage and current. So in this phasor diagram, so again now consider for the triangle OBC. Here tan pi is equal to tan theta means in the basic trigonometric function says that tan theta is nothing but opposite side divided by adjacent side. So in this phasor diagram, so this is nothing but opposite side. ಈ pi ಗೆ opposite side ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ opposite side, and this one is nothing but adjacent side, and this one we are called as hypotenuse. Here, so angle ಗೆ opposite ಇರೋ direction ಏನು ಕರೀತೀವಿ opposite side. So this one is nothing but adjacent side, and this one we are called as hypotenuse. Now taking the triangle OBC, now tan pi is equal to, so ಈ triangle ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು OBC triangle ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು tan pi ಅನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So tan pi is nothing but opposite side divided by adjacent side. Opposite side divided by adjacent side. So here opposite side is BC by adjacent side becomes OB. Here, so again tan pi is equal to BC means BC minus VR. So here BC, so this is BC by OB. So BC is equal to OA. So BC is nothing but BC minus VL by BC is nothing but VR. BC is VR. Here, so again pi is equal to tan inverse of VC minus VL divided by R. So this is the expression for direction of resultant of V and I in series LCR circuit. So find out the direction of resultant LCR circuit ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ pi is equal to, so tan ಅನ್ನು ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ tan inverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So tan ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಇರೋ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ತರ ರೀಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ tan inverse of VC minus VL divided by R. Clear? VC means voltage across capacitance of capacitor, VL means voltage across inductance of inductor. So here VR is nothing but, so this time but VR is nothing but voltage across resistance of resistor. Clear? So now AC source in the V is equal to V naught sin omega t. ನಾವು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ VL ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಏನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ VL ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ VL. ಸೊ ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ VC, ಅಕ್ರಾಸ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ VR. Clear? So again pi is equal to tan inverse of VC minus VL divided by IR. Clear? So again ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ in terms of current ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so again pi is equal to tan inverse of VC means I into XC minus VR means I into XL by VR means I into R. Clear? So VC ಅಂದ್ರೆ voltage into current into resistor ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. So VC means I, ಇಲ್ಲಿ capacitive reactance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ XC. Clear? So I into XC minus VR means I into XL by VR means I into R. So but in these two terms I is nothing but common term. So tan inverse of I of XC minus XL by I into R. ಈ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ I ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So I of XC minus XL divided by I into R. So here numerator and denominator I gets cancelled. So pi is equal to, so again here pi is equal to ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, pi is equal to tan inverse of XC minus XL by R. So this is expression for direction of series LCR circuit. Here pi is equal to tan inverse of XC minus XL divided by R. Numerical problem purpose ಅಲ್ಲಿ XC XL R value ಕೊಟ್ಟು calculate the direction of resultant of series LCR circuit ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ pi is equal to tan inverse of XC minus XL divided by R. So in terms of voltage formula ಕೊಟ್ರೆ voltage values ಕೊಟ್ರೆ so here pi is equal to tan inverse of VC minus VL divided by VR ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Clear? So this is my expression for resultant voltage, current, impedance and direction of series LCR circuit. Clear? ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಡಿರೈವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ VL means ಏನು ಅಂದ್ವಿ I into XL, VC means I into XC, VR means I into R. Clear?